Dear students, in this video, we are going to study Chapter 12, Heron's Formula. In earlier classes, we have studied areas of some plane figures such as rectangle, square, and triangle. We have studied that area of a triangle is equal to half BH, where B is the base and H is the height. And area of a right angle triangle is also equal to half BH. B is the base and H is the height. Area of an isosceles triangle is equal to 1 by 4 into B into square root of 4a square minus b square, where b is the base and two equal sides are a. Now, area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square, where a is the side of the triangle. Now, we will discuss a special formula for finding out the area of a scalene triangle. An Egyptian mathematician Heron derived the famous formula for the area of a triangle in terms of its three sides. The formula given by Heron about the area of a triangle is known as Heron's formula. Let us take a scalene triangle ABC. Let the length of its sides be A, B, and C units. Dear students, how do we find the area of a triangle? To find the area of a triangle, which formula do we use? We use the formula half BH. But look at the triangle. Can you see height of the triangle there? We have no idea about base and height. Or here base and height are not given. So we cannot apply this formula. Then what can we do? So we will find another formula to find the area of this triangle. For that, first of all, we will find semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? Half of the perimeter is semi-perimeter. Do you know why do we find semi-perimeter? We wanted to find a formula which gives us area in terms of sides of a triangle. Now, perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, that is A plus B plus C. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, or half of the perimeter. We can denote semi-perimeter as S. Now, we can write area of a triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is a semi-perimeter and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. This formula is known as Heron's formula. Let us take some examples. Example number 1. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are 42 cm, 34 cm and 20 cm in length. Solution. Here, three sides of the triangles are given. So we use Heron's formula to find the area. The sides of the triangle are A is equal to 42 cm, B is equal to 34 cm and C is equal to 20 cm. First of all, we will find out the semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. 42 plus 34 plus 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 96 divided by 2 is equal to 48 centimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to 48 centimeter. Now write the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now substitute the values. That is square root of 48 into 48 minus 42 into 48 minus 34 into 48 minus 20. That is equal to square root of 48 into 6 into 14 into 28. By prime factorization, that is equal to square root of 22 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. Then make groups of two identical factors. Now select one factor from each group. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 2. That is equal to 336 centimeters square. Example number 2. Find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and perimeter is 42 centimeter. Here you are given perimeter and length of two sides. So first of all, we will find the length of the third side. Perimeter is equal to 42 centimeter and sides A is equal to 18 centimeter and B is equal to 10 centimeter. So we will find the third side C. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 42. 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42. Therefore, C is equal to 48 minus 28 is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, the third side is 14 centimeter. Now we will find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to half of the perimeter. So, perimeter is already given 42 centimeter. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to half of 42. That is 21 centimeter. Now, to find out the area, we will apply the formula. That is, area of the triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Substitute the values. Square root of 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. That is equal to square root of 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. By the prime factorization method, we can find out the area of this triangle. That is square root of 3 into 7 into 3 into 11 into 7 centimeter square. That is equal to 3 into 7 into square root of 11 is equal to 21 into square root of 11 centimeter square or 21 root 11 centimeter square. Example number 3. The ratio of sides of a triangle is 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Here, the length of the sides are not given, but the ratio of the sides is given as 12 is to 17 is to 25. First of all, we will find out the length of the sides of the triangle. For that, let the sides of the triangle be 12x, 17x and 25x. Then 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. That is 54x is equal to 540, x is equal to 10. Therefore, side of the triangle are A is equal to 12 into 10 is equal to 120 centimeter. B is 17 into 10 is equal to 170 centimeter. C 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeter. So these are the sides of the triangle: 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter and 250 centimeter. Here the perimeter is 540 centimeter. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to half of 540. that is 270 centimeter. Now we will apply the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Substitute the values. That is square root of 270 into 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250. That is equal to square root of 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. You can find out the square root by prime factorization method or long division method. The area is equal to 9,000 centimeter square.